Hey guys, it's Kayla from the Logan Dustin Agency. I'm by myself today, guys. So bear with me. Hopefully I don't forget all the lovely things I'm supposed to be telling you guys today about our Hump Day hints. Today we're going to be talking about renter's insurance. So we are continuing our series on Insurance 101. I'm going to give us some time to see if we get anybody to pop on. I'm also going to invite some people. Let's see if we can get some friends on here. Oh, I guess it's not going to let me. That's all right. So if you are watching this on the replay, please hashtag replay so we know that you've tuned in. Continuing our series on Insurance 101, we're going to be doing renter's insurance today. So sometimes people that are renting kind of think of it as, it's not my home, I'm kind of occupying it for a time being. You know, they don't maybe always invest as much time and energy into the property as they should since they're not the homeowner. However, it's important to remember, home is where you are, guys. So be mindful that when you are renting the property, that you are also taking care of it as if it is your own home. With that being said, let's talk about renter's insurance. So renter's insurance is an annual policy. So it is a 1-year policy, guys, 1-year policy. It covers personal property, covers liability, and it covers additional living costs. So let's kind of break that down into exactly what that is. Personal property is exactly what it sounds like. It is your clothes, anything that is inside of the home that you brought there, maybe the couch or the coffee table, maybe the pot and pan set, maybe your electronics. It's important when occupying the space to always have on hand maybe those receipts. In the case of an accident, you'll be able to provide the landlord exactly, as well as your insurance company, exactly what the cost of those items are, so that way we can work on fulfilling the claim at the correct cost. So if you paid, say, $500 for that couch, at least you know that you can provide the receipts to show exactly what that couch costs for you. Moving forward, liability. Liability, this is a big one, guys. Liability is the coverage for a third party. So if you are renting a home and you're allowed to have a pet on the property and you have a third party coming in, maybe a friend visiting and the friend gets bit by the dog, or if it's, you know, the weather is not too good outside and somebody falls, the liability is going to cover you as the renter. It's going to protect you from that third party in the case of anything were to happen. And then there's the additional living cost. So the additional living cost, guys, what that is in the case that the home were to become inhabitable, so say there was a fire, say there was a flood, for that temporary time when you are displaced from the home, that additional living cost is going to cover you as the renter to have the opportunity to be in a home or a hotel, what have you, and make sure that you're being covered. Let's see. Some things that you guys should know about renting policies is that the location or the type of home that you are living in will also impact the premium. So whether you're renting a townhome, a condo, a single family home, a two-family, or an apartment, that will also take into play as to what your premium will cost. Some things that we would like to offer you as tips for renters to ensure that you're being the best renter you can be is always pay your bill on time. A happy landlord is a happy tenant and vice versa. You guys want to make sure that you have great communication and that you are always paying those bills on time. Same thing with your policy premiums. Make sure that you guys are paying that annual premium to continue your coverage and protect you. Also, making sure that you have that documentation like we were talking about before. Keeping a copy of those receipts on hand is a great opportunity for you to ensure peace of mind in the case of an accident. Sorry about that. Making sure that you guys have a copy of your lease on hand also is important, so that way if there's any miscommunications with the landlord, if you have any questions, you can just simply pull it out and you can have those answered for you at that time. Make sure that you are documenting the property when you move in and when you move out. This is going to allow you that also peace of mind and protection in the case of if something doesn't look the way it looked when you moved in. You want to make sure that you have the opportunity to get in there and maybe do a walkthrough before signing the contract too, to protect yourself as a renter. All of these things that we spoke about today in our live video will be outlined in our blog. For those of you who are not aware, we have a wonderful blog on our website. That's www.dustinagency.com. You can head over there to get more information about renters insurance and all the other series of Insurance 101 that we talked about. And we also do some really great blogs on that website also. So if you guys have any questions regarding renters insurance, or if you have any great funny stories, please share them below. Again, if you're watching this on the replay, #replay, we are looking forward to sharing with you next week. Our Insurance 101, we're going to be doing recreational insurance. So if you're someone who has an RV, a boat, or a motorcycle, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for stopping in. Talk to you later.